These talking fruit videos are blowing up right now, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make them. First, open ChatGPT and search for a GPT model called Fruit Avatar. Select it, click Start Chat, and then hit the Start button. Now it asks a few questions about how you want your fruit avatar to look like. It can be simple or super detailed. We're going with something simple here. We chose a banana in a Nike tracksuit. The model then gives you 5 different text-to-image prompts, each featuring a different type of fruit. Copy the first text-to-image prompt. That's the one based on your idea. Then open OpenArt and click Create Image. Select the model called Nano Banana 2 and paste in your text-to-image prompt. Set the output to 9:16. Pick how many images you want and generate. You'll get something like this, a banana rocking a Nike tracksuit. Now let's put those reference images into a scene together. Open ChatGPT again and search for a GPT model called Fruit Movie Maker. Click Start Chat, hit Start, and you'll see 3 questions to answer. We're using 2 reference images, but one works just fine too. There's no limit. For the first question, it asks if you want to get an image or video prompt. We want both. For the second question and last, tell it what you want them to do and if you want them to speak. In this case, we want them meeting each other at a club and flirting. You'll then get both a text-to-image prompt and a video prompt. Copy the text-to-image prompt and go back to OpenArt. Upload your 2 reference images, paste in the prompt, choose how many images you want, and generate. You'll get images like these. Okay. You might notice that some background characters in the image are regular people, not fruit. If you want all the bystanders to be fruit too, just ask the GPT model to adjust that. It'll give you new prompts where everyone in the background are also fruit characters. I tried it, and you can see the difference. Now the bystanders are fruit too. Next, go to the Frame to Video tab in OpenArt and select the model Kling 3.0. Pick the image you want to animate, then go back to ChatGPT and grab the first video prompt. This prompt comes with a voice dialogue, so make sure audio is turned on. Choose a duration of 8 seconds or longer, whatever you want, and hit Generate. You'll get videos like these.
I was about to go inside, but now I think I found the best part of the night.
That smooth line almost worked.
Almost.
Keep talking, you might get in.
Here are a few more results to check out.
Are you actually serious?
I didn't come here for games.
That's what they all say.
Yeah, but I'm still here talking to you, aren't I?
You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.